What intermittent fasting does to your body and brain. With all of the hype around fasting, you may believe it to be just another modern dietary fad, but the truth is that fasting is as old as our species. Until very recently, humans have always had periods of going without food. Fasting is baked into our evolution and our physiology, and it can yield benefits to our brains and bodies, at a biochemical level, that we're only just beginning to understand. Hello there, this is Fitnationplus. Fitnationplus is a house of fitness professionals. Many of us are blessed to live in a world with abundant food, but that wasn't always the case. Throughout our evolutionary history, sometimes days, weeks, and months would pass during which food resources were scarce. These periods without food provided small hormetic stresses on our genome, meaning stresses that turn out to be beneficial to our bodies. In the absence of calories, life-sustaining, protective genes responsible for cellular repair and protection are activated, inflammation is reduced, and antioxidative defenses are increased. This means that simply going without food for a while may have anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, and anti-tumor benefits that are available to anyone, at any time. I recommend doing a 24 to 48 hour fast at least 4 times a year, though some enjoy doing a 24-hour fast as often as twice each week. One of the most obvious and immediate benefits of fasting is psychological, the ability to overcome the fear of hunger. We have been brainwashed to avoid hunger at all costs, fearing a collapse in blood sugar or the feeling of being hungry. Fasting gives you the opportunity to overcome the discomfort of a light hunger to discover clarity and freedom on the other side. It can revitalize your whole relationship with food and give you a greater sense of balance, control, and pleasure. How fasting supercharges your brain. When our bodies fast, we begin to mobilize glycogen from the liver and the muscles. When our glycogen stores are depleted, our metabolism shifts and we start to mobilize fat and use it to create ketones, a source of energy that powers the brain differently, helping it to function more efficiently. Beta-HBA, the principal ketone, has been shown to be a super fuel that produces ATP energy more efficiently than glucose. Not only does beta-HBA protect neuronal cells from toxins associated with Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, but it also improves antioxidant function, increases the number of mitochondria, and stimulates the growth of new brain cells. Another benefit of fasting is the stimulation of BDNF, a protein that plays an integral role in stimulating the growth of new brain cells and the performance of existing neurons. BDNF is best described as the brain's growth hormone, and stimulating its production is easily one of the best things you can do for your body and your brain. But again, you must consult your physician before integrating fasting into your life. It may be contraindicated for those who are insulin-dependent diabetic, have a history of eating disorders, or suffer from ulcers. If your doctor gives you the green light, here's the protocol I recommend. If you follow fasting, your body and brain will thank you.